This is dangerous. Good morning.
Good morning. We haven't done this in a while.
Today is day 2 in India and we are heading back out into the chaos.
We are staying in a part of Delhi called Paharganj. And we don't have a ton of plans today. We just kind of plan on hanging around here and showing you what it's like in this area.
This is like the backpacker area of Delhi, so it has a lot of cheap hotels, it has a cheap market, it's supposed to have really good food, and it's just known for being chaotic, as you can see.
We are starting today's vlog with lunch. So tomorrow we're going on a food tour, and we've actually been in contact with the owner of the company, and he gave us a restaurant that we have to try in this neighborhood, so that's where we're going now. So excited. Different street vendors. We found it. It's obviously a good recommendation because this has more people than any other stall on the street. And they're all looking at us. Here we go. Thank you. There's so many people in here, we had to squeeze this little stand-up eating area. They only serve one thing. It's called chole bhatura. Chola bhatura. It's nice and it's helping me pronounce it. It's some kind of fried bread with some kind of, what is it? Chili. Yeah. Indian food never looks super photogenic, and we know that, but it tastes so much better than it looks. I'm not really sure what all is in this. I'm gonna have to take a few more bites. Just a little bit of spice. The bread is hot. They just pulled it out. It's like burning my fingers.
So for dessert, we've ordered these balls. They kind of look like donut holes that are just like floating in sugar water. I'm sorry, I have no clue what they're called, but they look so good. That is like soaked all the way through in golden brown sugary goodness. As soon as you bite into it, it's like sugary concoction just explodes in your mouth. There's some kind of parade going on behind me in the street.
Wow, we are 2 for 2 on local Indian meals.
Lunch was so good, but that place wasn't exactly conducive to filming because we were literally standing shoulder to shoulder with everybody else. That restaurant was so packed because the food was so good.
And the people there were so nice. Like, they wanted us to take pictures of them and stuff. That was great. That was a perfect recommendation from our future food tour guide.
Okay, so I think we are somewhere near the market that's in...
I already forgot. Hold on. Paharganj.
So we're gonna go try to find the market, walk around, who knows.
I never thought I would be dancing in the streets of India. We just happened upon this band and then they asked me to join them in a dance. So I did. That was crazy. So many people were watching. We have arrived at the market and it is huge and exciting like everything else in India. If you saw yesterday's video, you saw that we could not find any clothes to buy for Holy. We need something that we can like wear and then throw away. So that is going to be the goal as we explore this market. How many people are following me right now? I love that one. So I like the plain one.
As chaotic as this market is, since we started with the Chandy Chowk market yesterday, this feels like weirdly calm.
It really is. And there's so many cute things. I want all of the skirts and all of the pants and all of the dresses.
I have a good feeling we're gonna find something for Holy here. Rupees is $1. So I just bought some Holy pants for $1. Thank you.
I got these beautiful silk pants, but they're so wide. It's gonna look like a skirt. At least that's the plan. I love them. And then for Holy, we think you're supposed to wear white because there's so much color and it like colors your clothes. So I got this white shirt. All of the ladies here wear these really long shirts with this slit in the side with leggings. So, at least from what I've seen in Delhi so far. I got these blue leggings to match my shirt. So we almost have everything that we need and we haven't even spent $10 yet. We have spent the entire afternoon at the market and we are both pooped. Just being out in public is so tiring because you have to be so aware all the time. Don't get me wrong, we really enjoy it. But we have worked up an appetite.
Thank you very much. So we come back for naan tonight. I went with the sada butter naan thali. Had no clue what I was ordering, but it looks delicious. Naan with more butter than I've ever seen slathered on a piece of bread. And then it looks like it came with 2 types of like lentil curries to dip it in. I really have no clue what I'm eating. Whoa, yours looks good. We ordered way too much food. It's really good. This first one almost tastes like a spicy refried beans. A little bit waterier. I'll show this. I think he wants me to show you where we're eating right now. We read good things about it on the internet. It was only a few steps from the hotel. It is really good.
I'm pretty sure I ordered the exact same thing except for mine is all chopped up and stuffed with paneer, which is cheese, which is my favorite. It looks amazing. I think I got the same spicy mushed up black beans. The naan. Oh! I don't know if I can handle it. Spicy?
Yes, spicy. Yes. It is a sweet chili.
Sweet chili?
Sweet chili.
Ah.
Yes, in green chili.
Thank you.
Yes.
They're so nice here. We've had nothing but great experiences with all of our food so far. I'm definitely not eating that chili.
दिल्ली का मशहूर चावला चोटर नान पहाड़ का मकानी नाटा चाव चावला से मशहूर चोटर नान ये बहुत पुरानी दुकान है और यहाँ पर जगह जगह के लोग आते हैं चूर नान खाने के लिए। आलू का नान है, गोभी का है, पनीर का है और मिस्सी रोटी है। चावल छोले राजमा के साथ दाल मखनी छोले सब्जी।
So all the places that we've been so far have a little faucet that you can use and rinse your hands after you get done eating. Also, that entire meal costs less than $4. Basically, all I've done today is just walk around and eat, but day 2 in India was absolutely fantastic.
If you saw yesterday's vlog, you know that you're about to step on the dog, sorry. I was scared you didn't see it, and I was scared it was gonna bite you. So the trick to crossing the road in India is you wait for somebody else to do it, and then you just piggyback them.